Follow me as I came upon this chaotic scene as we try to uncover what really happened during this sudden horror car accident on our busy Jamaican street. Road accidents are happening quite often, especially on the weekends. The accident that we are looking at is just a shocking reminder of how quickly things can go wrong on these busy streets. These accidents can happen so fast, often in a split second, leaving those involved with little time to react. So we all need to cut our speed, because sometimes speed is a huge factor. Rain and also poor visibility can also play a huge part, not to mention poor road condition, potholes and uneven surface. Don't know what the cause of this road accident, but seems like everyone is drinking and speeding these days. And they have said that alcohol sales have increased over 300% since COVID. Have you ever experienced a close call on our roads? Or maybe even an accident? Let me know in the comment.